Welcome to this 15-minute chakra alignment meditation designed to help you restore balance and harmony within your body and mind. In this practice, we will journey through each of the 7 chakras, focusing on bringing light and energy to these vital centers. As you connect with each chakra, you will invite healing, balance, and a deep sense of well-being into your entire being. Find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions and allow yourself to fully immerse in this transformative experience. Take a moment to find a comfortable, seated position. Sit tall, with your back straight and feet firmly grounded. Close your eyes and begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Allow your focus to shift inward, becoming aware of your natural breathing rhythm as it flows effortlessly. Notice the harmonious movement of your breath flowing in and out, bringing you a sense of calm. Now, gently direct your attention to the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. Visualize a radiant red light glowing here, growing stronger and brighter with each breath. Take a few moments to let this energy strengthen, grounding you deeply in connection with the earth. Let the red light ground your energy, creating a stable connection between your body and the earth's steady support. Now, bring your focus to the sacral chakra, just below your navel. Envision a warm, orange light glowing here. As you breathe in, feel this orange light becoming more vibrant, radiating creativity and emotional balance. Each breath nourishes your inner creativity, filling you with emotional stability. With every exhale, allow this energy to support your emotional well-being, leaving you open to express your creativity freely. Next, shift your attention to the solar plexus, located in the area of your stomach. Visualize a brilliant yellow light shining here, representing your personal power. Breathe deeply, feeling this yellow light glow brighter and stronger, giving you confidence and a renewed sense of self. Let this light reinforce your inner strength and empower you to move forward with self-assurance. Now, bring your focus to the heart chakra. In the center of your chest, imagine a soft, green light glowing warmly. As you breathe in, feel this green light expanding with love and compassion. Let this light open your heart, nurturing your capacity to give and receive love. With every exhale, allow this loving energy to flow freely, filling you with a deep sense of compassion for yourself and others. Now, turn your attention to the throat chakra. Visualize a calming blue light here at the base of your throat. As you breathe in, feel this blue light strengthening, helping you express your truth clearly and authentically. With each breath, your ability to communicate from the heart becomes more powerful. Let this energy support your voice, encouraging you to speak with honesty and confidence. Next, shift your focus to the third eye chakra, located between your eyebrows. Imagine a deep indigo light shining brightly here. As you breathe, feel this indigo light grow more luminous, expanding your intuition and inner wisdom. Let this energy help you see clearly and gain insights into your life. With each breath, invite clarity and trust in the wisdom within you, allowing yourself to receive any guidance that may arise. Now, direct your awareness to the crown chakra, located at the top of your head. Envision a soft, violet light glowing here. As you inhale, feel this violet light become more vibrant, connecting you with your highest self and the universe. With each breath, allow this light to strengthen your connection to the divine and the collective consciousness. Feel yourself becoming one with the universe, releasing any sense of separation and embracing the unity that connects all living beings. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize all of your chakras glowing harmoniously, each radiating its unique color and energy. Feel the balance, peace, and alignment within you as all parts of your being work in harmony. Let this harmony settle deeply in your body and mind, creating a sense of well-being and balance that will stay with you long after this meditation. Take a few final deep breaths, anchoring yourself in the present moment. Slowly begin to reconnect with your physical body, gently bringing your awareness back. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying the balance and peace from this meditation with you throughout your day.